Hello everyone. Today I have another Ipsy package. I just received this in the mail. I just left the gym and I found the Ipsy package and decided I have to open it right away. So we're gonna open it together. I'll partially open it so I won't make so much noise. Oh, we got an orange bag this month. It's really bright with a cute little zipper. Let's see. We got a watermelon energizing marshmallow peel off mask by Perlice. Let's see it. Interesting. A watermelon peel off mask. It says purifies pores, brightens skins, and visibly firms and tightens. I can't wait to try that. Then we have, what is this? A Pixie lip gloss by Petra. And what color is this? It's called Sheer Rose. This looks like it'll be pretty. And what else do we have? First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Primer. Oh, another primer. I love the fact that they give little bottles of primer, so I have a bottle each month. So I don't really wear makeup that often, but this is cute. Water Bank Moisture Cream by Laneige or Laneige. I don't know. For normal to dry skin. Interesting. So those are the 4 items I got this month in my Ipsy package in my cute little orange bag. I'll let you know how everything works. All right, see you soon. Bye.